Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the most dynamic entertainment and festive area in London, South Bank. If you haven't heard of South Bank, you must have heard of the Big Ben. The bridge at the foot of the Big Ben is called Westminster Bridge. The south side of Thames from Westminster Bridge to Blackfriars Bridge in the east is what people usually refer to as South Bank. The famous London icon, the London Eye, and Council Hall are located here. South Bank was not always as pleasant as it is today. In the 19th century, South Bank transformed from a rural area outside the bustling city of London to an industrial center. Many factories moved to South Bank. Some needed the fresh weather, some took advantage of the river access and cheap land. With the peak of the Industrial Revolution came the arrival of the railways, and the busiest railway station in London, Waterloo Station, was built on South Bank. The vast number of steam trains polluted the air with thick smoke. In 1922, a new building appeared on the riverfront, County Hall, once served as the seat of London County Council. Today, it houses many of London's attractions, including the Sea Life London Aquarium, the London Dungeon, and the five-star Marriott Hotel. During the Second World War, South Bank was heavily damaged. To create a tonic for the war-scarred nation, the Festival of Britain was held in 1951, and South Bank was chosen as the site of the festival. Therefore, the riverside went through a massive regeneration. New buildings were constructed for the national celebration. Some buildings remained as permanent legacy, including the Royal Festival Hall. In the following decade, other arts venues such as the Hayward Gallery and Royal National Theatre were built here in a style known as Brutalism. The bunker-like Hayward Gallery was once voted as the ugliest building. However, these buildings are now considered as an example of postmodern architecture, a rebellion from the traditional, over-decorated and over-precise European architecture style. Besides the theaters, art centers, and auditoriums, there are also plenty of cafes, rooftop bars, and a food market. In the summer, there's also a second-hand book market. The most iconic attraction on South Bank is the London Eye. It was built to celebrate the new millennium and was only supposed to be there temporarily until 2005. However, it was so popular with Londoners and tourists that it has remained ever since. The price of the ticket is £31 on site and £24.50 if you book online. I haven't tried it yet. For those of you who had, comment down below whether you feel it's worth a try. After the Festival of Britain, the land at the foot of the London Eye was used as car park until 1977, when the area was transformed into a garden for the Queen's Silver Jubilee. In 2011, for the Queen's Diamond Jubilee, the gardens were re-landscaped to the way we see today. At the same time, a new public toilet was opened. Londoners gave it a nickname, Jubiloo. The boat-like roof of the structure gathers rainwater to help flush the toilets. On the bench outside Jubiloo, there's a quote from Shakespeare. It seems related to the poop. Anyone knows what this means? Finally, I want to share with you a secret location to take your perfect selfie with the South Bank icons. That is on the North Bank, right across the London Eye. From here, you can capture the London Eye and the County Hall as your background. It looks like the 007 movie, isn't it? Alright, that's the tour of South Bank. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have anything about London that you want to see or know, please leave a comment down below. And subscribe to my channel to learn about the life and fascinating history of London. Till next time, bye!